Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this light in case it gets burned. Alright, so this one, it doesn't have a bulb, but certain models like the Myvi, it uses a bulb, but for the Alpha it doesn't use a bulb. Hence you need to replace the entire unit, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. Let's get to it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the side mirror. To do that, just pry it out. Okay, if you have a connector like mine, then you need to put it at the side. Then what you need to do is you need to look at this over here like this. So there are some clips over here. There's some clips over here, here. In total there's 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. Unclip those by using a screwdriver and pushing it in. Then we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we need to pry this open from the side. So there you have it. That's how we get it out. So what we do is pry it on the outside. Then once there's tension, just release the locks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Not 5, there's 6. Actually 7. Okay, once we have that out, what we need to do is we need to unplug this. Or we can just use a screwdriver to unscrew it. 1, 2. Okay, then just unplug it by pressing this here and pulling it. Okay. So now you can replace this with a new one or an aftermarket, because the bulb is actually LEDs and it's built in. You can't really just replace that, you have to replace the whole thing. Oh, mine isn't broken, so I'm gonna put this back in.